Good morning, everybody. Nice Sunday mid-morning. It's been kind of cold here lately, but it's nice and sunny today, so I decided to do some work on the GMC truck here. Master cylinder. The brakes this morning, they just went the pedal went down to the floor. So I sprayed it with some of that PB blaster thing and got the screws loose here. Got these two fittings loose. And I'm going to put a new one on. Here's the new one right here. I already bled it. It's already ready to go. I'm surprised. This is an aluminum housing one. The original was cast iron. So this is what I got right there. It is a new unit. It's not remanufactured, so got the bleeding instructions there. So I mean, I read them, believe it or not. But it's already bench bled. It's all ready to be installed. So let's get to installing it. Always use one of those. Well, there's the master cylinder. It's installed. I wire wheeled the nuts, put the original nuts back on. Like I said, this is an aluminum housing one, and got to put a little bit more brake fluid in there. Like I said, I did bench bleed it, so it should be fine. Let's go ahead and tighten up those lines and test it, see what happens. Let's put some more brake fluid in here. I ran out of this stuff. I gotta go get some more. All right, let's see what this thing does. Let's fire it up here. Oh, great. Yeah. I think it's working good. It's better than it was before. Before the pedal was going all the way to the floor here. Anyway, this is my 1974 GMC Camper Special. I always wonder what that was right there, right here. But when I got it, it had, well, it didn't have, the guy gave them to me. The guy sold me the truck had the big like extended mirrors that stuck out till about right here, and I got it with these in there, but you could see where they covered up the holes for the 3 points where they go. And I still have them back there somewhere. It still has the shock brackets for the cab over, and don't mind that. It's no longer for sale. Every time I drive it, I like it more and more. And there's a master cylinder. You can see it's working good. It stopped. Oh, well, it's gonna stop because the pedal is working now. I don't have the pedal going all the way down to the floor. And here's this side of the truck. It's really not a bad truck. It's really nice. It's got a little bit of rust down here on the typical place, and this right here looks like it was repaired at one time or another. You can see it there. But it's a nice little truck. It's got this extended bumper. Well, not extended, this bumper here that extends out like all the way out here for a big camper, I guess. And it's got these tube slides right there. Undo this bolt right here and it'll slide back out. And a little bit more rust right there, but the bed, it's in pretty good condition other than what's dirty right now. Original blue plate truck. It's a nice truck. I recently did a video on it on the carburetor. Anyway, here's, you could see where they covered up the holes. I mean, there's probably a lot of Bondo here, but we won't worry about that. I recently did a video on the carburetor on this. This is a Rochester 4-barrel. Rochester 4-barrel. It's a Quadrajet, and it's one of those aftermarket carburetors from Amazon. And I've had no issues with it whatsoever. I mean, it starts up, it fires up really quick. I have to do a review on it, which I will, and after this video here. But there's a lot of people that say, oh, you know, that's a junk carburetor, you know, get yours rebuilt. Well, there it is. It still hasn't been rebuilt. It's been sitting there. That's the original Quadrajet. And anyway, that's another story. But here's the master cylinder. You could see it was pretty crusty and cruddy. I took the lid off, and it was, the fluid was just really dark, ugly. So hopefully with the new fluid, once I bleed the brakes, all that crud is gonna come out once I bleed them, actually. But I think we're gonna be fine. Again, it's a quick video on the master cylinder install. Really no big deal, just a couple screws. Make sure you have a pipe wrench for this. Not a pipe wrench, I don't know what they call it, that type of wrench. This right here, that one there, that's what you need. That way you don't strip the nuts right there. But like I said, this is a aluminum housing. I mean, it looks like it's gonna be okay. I felt the pedal just kick back really quick. I mean, it's not even going down to the floor like it was. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you. Tell me what you think of my green rig right here. And if you like it, if you don't like it, let me know. All right, have a good rest of the week. It's actually Sunday. Have a good time, be safe, and see you next time.